Today I'm going to talk about that what are the core requirements for being a good speaker, and specifically obviously for English language. People have different doubts. Okay, they are not able to talk in a good way. Okay, so the first thing is that that you don't have to think too much about grammar. If you think too much about grammar, you will not be good speaker ever. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you just have to speak and speak. Okay, so now many people would say, if I am speaking in a wrong way, then how I should consider myself. Okay, that who's going to correct me, or well, like, okay, look, things would come. Okay, there are levels. It's actually ultimately it's knowledge, actually it's learning. So it doesn't come overnight. Okay, it's not like that. Okay, that you will become a fluent speaker over the night. You will learn things. Obviously you have to know about grammar also. Okay, you should know grammar, and you should grab the vocabulary from here and there. Okay, this is also a must. That you should, like, where the vocabulary would come also. This is not something buying a very hefty book and reading daily 50. This is not going to work at all. Okay, first of all, you have to grab words, the words which are around you. Like you grab the words while you go to a grocery store, you grab the words while walking on the road. Okay, going somewhere, reading a envelope, reading a pamphlet. Okay, anything, the things which are around you, you can grab the words from there. And additionally, if you want to increase the vocabulary, okay, you can buy a novel or short story book. Okay, where you have interest. Okay, so while you develop that interest, you will see in a couple of days that certainly vocabulary will go up. Okay, it will be increased. Okay, ultimately. So the thing is that, okay, and don't think ideally that you will become a fluent speaker in just 15 days. There's no shortcut. Okay, it's an ongoing process. I would not say lengthy, it's about your interest also. Okay, then it might take 3 to 4 months to get to a good level. And once you become a good speaker, you will have an inner tendency. You will be able to capture your own mistakes. Okay, so this is the first thing which you have to do, start with. Okay, later I'll be telling you, okay, how to do the certain things about grammar and everything. Okay, so I hope you would have understood this point. Okay, thank you very much.